Okay, so for the screen protectors, we have a few options in here. So two from WSKEN and two from Rinke. So this is privacy one, so I'm not gonna go for this one just yet because I just want to enjoy the screen quality. And with this one, from sides you can't really see, but I will quickly show you what you get. So it's like this. Obviously you get inside everything, you need to clean the screen, but that's how this is. You just put on the phone and then you just pull this. It's very easy to install as well, and it gives you privacy from, as you can see that hand, if you look from the side you can't really see. So yeah, if I get fed up with people looking at my phone screen, I might go for this, but for now I just want to use this one because I've noticed that different types of installing it between these two ones. So let me quickly show you this. Let's just put this phone aside, I don't want to scratch it. So yeah, this has this type. And you put the phone in there. It's a bit different. And then the one I'm going to use, which I think is the easiest, is this one. So, well, I will have to watch a video quickly because they have a video, or I think they also have instructions in here. So the one I want to use is this one. They give you two anyway, so if you fail one attempt you can try the other. They give you tools as well, this, and I guess that's everything you need. So I'm gonna just have a quick look how you do this, and I'll show you the way we're gonna do this. I'll quickly show you if I can still remove this from there. So first thing is to place your phone inside this plastic tray, and the way to do it, as you can see, I haven't removed this yet. So the top of the phone needs to be in here, like in this image, and the bottom down this end. So you make sure you pull that in, push it in properly. Yeah. So once it's in position, then if you remove this, then you can use the installation tools to clean the screen, remove dust, but I will leave this in and I'll try and do it this way. I will quickly remove it and have this on top of it. So yeah, so you see, you remove the dust and then you put this in. So the way you put this in, you push this thing on the top in there, and also then you align these two holes to match those two pins in there. Once you've done that, the next step is to close the door. Yeah, so you close it and then you pull this out through here. I'll show you, don't worry. Then the next step is, with the cover closed, you're gonna drag it down, pull the roller unit to the bottom. So you pull the roller, yeah, and then after that it says push the roller unit back to the top, and then open the cover and lift the sticker. So let's see how we get things on. If it doesn't work, I have another one, so no pressure. Yeah, let's start. So before I push this in, I want to see if I can quickly remove this in a way that it won't absorb any dust. So yeah, Okay, done my best. So then we push this in position in here as well, both ways. So far we've done this. We put the phone in, we clean it because we had that on. We pushed in the first one and then the two on the bottom, and the next step is to close the case. Yeah, so you close the case. They say to keep it like this. Yeah, so you keep it like this and then you drag this out. So let's drag this out, see if that works. Okay, so that's out. Now they say to drag this all the way. Let's see how we can do that. All the way down and then all the way back up. All the way back up, and then open the cover, and they say lift this, and that's it. Let's just drag this out, and that's it, guys. That should be installed. Let me just quickly make sure it's actually installed. Yeah, it is. Wow, and it's perfectly installed. I can see some dust. Hopefully that's on the inside. I can see two actually dots in there. Let's just try and fully remove them, and otherwise it's pretty good. I don't see anything, and I hope all that dust, yeah. Oh no, there is a bit of dust on the inside. I'll just have to live with it. So yeah, it's so hard to do it, especially in a house, but yeah, that's fine. I have another one to try. So far I've applied the screen protector, which I think has been quite easy. I can't believe it, and it's very nicely nicely done. It's like perfect. So yeah, there you have it. Then you just push your phone out from here. Hope I didn't scratch it. That would be annoying. Let's just have a quick look. Nah, it didn't scratch it. So yeah, this is very minimalistic, this screen protector. But yeah, I do like it. So that's it. That's how you apply the screen protector. Next, we'll have a look at some functionality in the next video.